Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to present to you this used Ford Puma 1.0 EcoBoost ST Line, finished in the Desert Island blue metallic paintwork, which is really give this vehicle that standout road appearance. Now taking a look at some of the key features of the vehicle. This car does feature the ST line. That does mean you get the upgraded styling such as the front bumper design, rear diffuser and side profile, as well as that rear wing. Moving on now and looking at the external key features, we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find the ST Line specific 17-inch 5 two-spoke design black machine finished alloys, and they do really complement that lovely dark blue paintwork. To the side of the Puma now, we do find a rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants from view, as well as protecting those valuable items from view as well. Now moving into the rear boot space of the Ford Puma, where we do find up to 410 litres of storage capacity. There's a large amount for a vehicle of this size. With the two rear seats folded down, you do have a combined capacity of 1,170 litres. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a two-tone cloth interior with the additional sporty red stitching to complement. As well as this, we do find the Isofix points, which are neatly located across the back row. Does make this vehicle much easier to use with family uses. You can also easily accommodate 3 occupants in the rear. Now moving into the front, we do find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush high-end materials such as leather and cloth, as well as the gloss black and aluminium finishes. And with this being the ST line, it does mean you get these sport seats with the additional red stitching, as well as the checkered flag pattern in the centre. Above now we find a virtual cockpit display, which is of a clear and crisp image, and it does feature a digital rev counter as well as further technology in use. Now moving towards the centre of the dashboard, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which is featured the satellite navigation, and does also allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now we find the equally impressive climate control, which is very easily adjustable. Thank you very much for watching. This has been the vehicle presentation of this used Ford Puma ST line. This vehicle is now available at Stafford Audi, and for more information please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.